Hey guys, welcome back to the channel 1-2-Step. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find Viber hidden chat in few seconds. So it's very simple. First of all, you have to have Viber app in your mobile. If you don't have Viber app, then just go to Play Store and download from it. Or if you are using iOS device, you can just download it from App Store. So here I have already downloaded my app. And in the screen you can see Viber. Just click on this. And these are the chats which I have in my Viber, and other are in the hidden chats. So first of all, you just have to know the password that you have already set while hiding your chats previously. So I have just written my password as 1234. So just go to the search bar, which is in the top right corner. Just click on this and here type 1234. So here you can see the hidden chat that I have hidden previously. So just you can click on this and see the chats. So in this way you can just find Viber hidden chats in few seconds. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you.